While purchasing expensive assets like property, there is one important consideration everyone has to take between making an installment-based payment or full payment. This decision can be influenced by available cash flow, risk classification of the seller, etc., but we will purely consider this from a payment angle. In the sheet, we have added the parameters important while buying a property like cost difference in square foot rate between installment and full payment, maintenance cost, municipal authority charges, etc. The main difference is in the interest amount on the payments which we are losing by making the payment before the property gets delivered. In full payment route, the interest foregone is on the full payment from day one, whereas in installment-based payment, it's based on the date of installment payments. So in our example, on down payment, we lose interest for 30 months period. For first installment, it's 29 months, and so on. In essence, we are comparing the options by calculating the difference in opportunity cost lost by locking our money in a property scheme against investing it in other avenues. In our example case, it's clear that paying money in one shot is a more advantageous deal. Then the installment-based payments seems counterintuitive, right? But isn't this largely based on the price we can negotiate for full payment option? What should be the price above which the full payment route becomes expensive? This can be easily calculated by using the Excel's goal-seek functionality by trying to make full payment cost equal to installment cost by changing the full payment property cost. Hope this sheet helps you to make a wiser decision next time you are looking forward to buy property. Message us at contact@logeagle.com to receive a copy of the file for free, or in case you want to discuss development of any other Excel-based tools.